Hello, guys and girls. Finally, I've brought out time to do a good video on Python basics, the basics of Python. I also prepared PowerPoint slides for each topic we're going to be going through for beginners, just the basics though. So I have like 15 topics, 14 actually, with our final projects that we're going to work on. Okay, so what our final projects would look like. Not like a project, it's just to test your understanding of how you can be creative, how you can think, your problem solving capacity, for instance, something like this. Uh, if you take a look at this question, it looks complex. You can snap it or do anything. Try solving it yourself without like help or something. Try solving it yourself without help from resources, external resources or stuff. Just try solving it yourself. And if you can't, then it means that my tutorial is for you and you have to stick with me until the end of my tutorial. Don't go back if you really want to learn. Okay, so I have like 3 questions that we're going to do at the end of my full tutorials. You can see it's function, mixing words, alternating, using while loops, negative logic, and many other things in Python. So I have like set aside 3 questions that we're going to do at the end of my Python tutorial. Okay, so getting started. What is Python? I'm not good in editing though, but I'll explain Python how I understand it. Okay, so to me, Python is a high-level programming language. It was created in the last 19 in the 90s. I don't know, back way back. It's been used like years back, and it's still in use. And it's, I think, the sixth or seventh most the highest paid programming languages in 2025. Luckily for you guys, I was trying to make this video in 2026, but I just said I should do something quick because I don't know how it would be for me, but I'm pretty much busy. Okay, so the next thing, it's a high level language. It's very easy to understand. It's easy to read and write, just like a simple English if you understand it again. And it's interpreted. When they say Python is interpreted, what is it? It means that there's no need to compile before running. Like for instance, Python executes line by line. Like if you have an error in line 15, it executes the first line before when it goes to line 15 before it shows, oh, there is an error that occurred there. Okay, so it's general purpose. It can be used in many fields as well. Python is very biased and main and very not biased. I mean to say it's very versatile. It has many functionalities and many modules that you can use to do many functions and many things. Okay, okay, and some of you might be looking at these guys and be like, who are these guys? And this is Monty Python. It's a comedy group. It was actually, I thought that Python was like named after a snake or something, so I had to do my research and I found these guys on my screen. So that is how I just think you might just want to know. It's not necessary to know or anything, but I just said I should share the information. Python is not named after a snake or anything. It's named after these guys, the Monty Python comedy group and stuff. And so asking yourself why is Python too popular? Like most people that are not even programmers know about Python. Okay, so Python, it's easy to learn, it's versatile as I said earlier. It can be used almost for anything, web development, Django. I'm trying to learn Django as well, but I think I will still, I'm doing a lot right now. So data science and machine learning like NumPy and many other things. Check out NumPy, it's very cool. Automation, scripting, web scraping, game development, spy games, desktop and mobile apps, and cybersecurity and ethical hacking, AI and IoT. There are many things you can do with Python actually. So it's a very good cool programming languages. It has millions of tutorials, free resources, that you can use to learn Python. Okay, so it's very cool that you know how to code in Python, even if it's not in your branch of study or anything, but it's very good to understand the basics of Python, and that is why this video is here for you. Okay, so nextly we are going to be moving on to the editors you can use to code in Python. Coming at first, we have the main Python editor. This is what they're calling Python. I love this editor. Like, it's very cool, but the thing I hate in it is it doesn't help you. You just type your code yourself. It doesn't complete stuff for you. So I won't be using it in this tutorial because I'm going to be trying to make my videos a little bit faster when we fast, and compiling stuffs and like helping me in some parts, like completing and stuff like that. And so I won't be using ideal unless we're going to be exporting external modules like pip and py input plus pillow movie py, many other things that you can external modules you can use in Python. But the main thing is, you see, ideal, the main Python programming editor, it can access lots of external modules like this. Like for my ideal, I have, like, if you see, look at my ideal. It's funny though, I was trying to make like a GIF, a GIF editor. I'm not very good in video editing though. I was trying to make like a like, comment, and subscribe editing with Python. So you can see it's a very cool and biased programming language. It's cool, right? The next editor that I'm going to be using for all my videos, or unless we're going to be working with reading, scraping from Google spreadsheets and many other things that we can't use PyCharm to do external modules. I will be using PyCharm for my videos most of the time because it's cool and very unique and cool as well. It's a very good editor, very good thumbs up to JetBrains. I have lots of JetBrains in my system right now. I just love JetBrains. So I will be using JetBrains for my tutorial in Python as well, unless we need like external modules that can't work on JetBrains. Okay, so you can download JetBrains as well. Click on download, do the specific things, and it will bring you to a window like this. So it will bring you to a window like this, something like this. Okay, so if you right click here, it gives you new. You click here and put anything, name your file anything, maybe in Python file. So boom, you have gotten something like this. You see, it's a little bit like dimmed or something. So if you want to increase the fonts, or increase it in your screen, you can't just zoom it manually. You have to do Alt Shift and plus 1 2. I think we're going to be working with this, and then that's what we're going to be working with in all the editors as well. So you can use VS Code, Visual Studio Code, you can use Jupyter, Sublime Text, and many other things in your Python as well. So that's just basically everything you need to know. You have for the introduction and setup of Python. It's a very cool language, and okay, let me show you a fun thing that you can do with it. So now print is very popular word. You know what is coming through. Hello. Let me not say word. I'll just say hello Charles GPT, and I will now compile this. I'll run Shift F10 if you're working with JetBrains. Shift F10 to run your program. So you see it prints out hello Charles GPT right here. Okay, so that's so you can see the compilation right there. Okay, and just that's it for this for this video. We have, yeah, and another thing in Python, it's very easy. You don't need to like name the variable like this int x equals 20 or something, or you need a semicolon. It doesn't need something like this. It just you can just do x equals 20. So it's no need for this at the end and stuff like that. So this works. So it's a very simple and easy programming language. And so that's the video right there, introduction to Python and the setup. So in my tutorial, we'll be working with PyCharm. You can use any text editor of your choice actually, but I'll be working with PyCharm personally because I love JetBrains text editors. And but if it needs a little bit of idea on main Python programming editor, I will work with it. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, your feedback helps me create better content for you all.